Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find the total number of unused or rarely used apps present in your Android smartphone and tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone home screen. So here I will show you two methods. The first method is using the inbuilt application, and the second method I'm gonna show you using the third-party application. So for the first method, just open your inbuilt file manager. So right now I'm using a Samsung smartphone, so my file manager name is my files. So in your case it might be different name, but the tricks will remain the same. So just open your respective file manager on your respective Android smartphone, and right now if you're using a Samsung, then inside the my files you will see at the bottom here analyze storage. Just tap on it, and now just scroll down. Now you will see here unused apps. So just tap on it. Now just tap on this all option on the left top corner. Now you can see here total number of unused or rarely used apps in my Android smartphone is total number is 10. So you can see here. So by going to this option you can easily find out the total number of unused app or rarely used apps in your respective Android smartphone. And if your Android smartphone file manager does not have this feature, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Files by Google. Just tap on it, tap on install to install this application if you have not installed it earlier. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now it will ask you some permission. Just tap on continue, tap on allow. Just enable this option, tap on allow everything. Now at the left bottom you can see one option written clean. Just tap on it. Now just scroll down below. You will see here one more option written free up more space rate. Just tap on this search for apps, tap on continue. Now just allow the permission. Now you can see here delete unused apps, right? So just tap on this select apps and tap on this dot icon. Now you can see here total number of unused or rarely used apps is 17. So by using these two methods, you can easily find the total number of unused or rarely used apps present in your Android smartphone and tablet very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.